slab as balance kahle. What's happening? Debs. We had to demolish most of the stuff and redo them. So I think he overestimated himself as a contractor, but now that we know better about NHBC, good to registered and all that. But yeah, hard lesson to learn. So again,
manje sesilimaze kanjani le ndaba le?
Stroke, so she can't.
Okay. Manje njoba niphethe amaphepha ayafana noma ahlukene?
Mina it was angithi ngoba siyasaya ku small claims.
Yeah.
So sahlukanisa kama amounts leyami slab reconstruction. Ukuthi how much we were charged for reconstructing the slab.
Okay. 7,000.
Yeah, but it was just an area that we found balance from ngaphansi futhi and abantu wakhona. So it was not as bad. It's for the plumbing and that was the deposit that we gave.
8,600.
Yeah, the plumbing and electricity. Then that was the demolition of stairs and rebuilding it.
Ole contractor entsha le.
Entsha, yes. So that's new. Now the contractor le enye and then this was just the deposit SMP, the electrical and plumbing.
So unkolota zonke le imali. 9,000, 800, 600, 7,240.
Yeah.
So nimfona lethi ndoda phela bhadala uthini?
Akasabamba amafoni manje, but he acknowledged the date. This is from last year. So whenever you do call him, he did admit to business has been slow because there was a TikTok thing that happened where we posted on there. But outside of that, some of the money was just given to you where you didn't do anything, and yet you did show the work. You are telling us about other work that you are busy with, or wherever. So, whereas most of the stuff that we did with him, it was easy payment. Now you're going to be with him. So, yeah. Cool.
Manje Masofia where ati akana mali swenze njani?
I started equipment.
Yeah, it's equipment. He
promised,
he promised in a second he will start paying.
But manje safuni nani ama little by little. He must give us money to slugane naye. He goes his way, we go.
So ecourt uthi uzobhadala malini?
Bekavumele ta ukule 9,000. Then ulebe katheni uzoyikhipha. So because he gives us different promises, ayizothumela 10 kule nyanga kule vikile, then le bekathi uzoyenza ngama-1,000 kancane ngoba sekazikhommithile ku the other cases.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's ngithatha amaphepha lawa ngiwacheke bese nina nizolindela i-call yami. Ngizonithinda nje sometime this week. Nihlale ni-ready mara ningamtsheli ukuthi niza no-X.
Asisho next. Angithe kubo singasa communicate because he never keeps his promises. Sesimlinde yabona uyophela omnyunyaka since last year. And indlu isemadlakadlaka because now we ran out of funds lento asenze yona.
So lo manje uyenze kahle yena.
Sikaka qhubeki.
Yeah. Well, he did. We didn't see that.
The stairs. But now, yini ibhadalelwa electricity ne-plumbing yilezi azange asazenza kanti waseyithe anikezwe. In fact, azange atanikezwe. Unsiki decided ukuthi akasimbhadale up front. Sithi senzela ukuthi asheshe enze umsebenzi kanti siyazibulala.
All right. No. Sakase ezandleni zami manje ngizodila naye mina. So nina hlala ni ready and then ke zizokhala. Ngizongiphumela kaso.
Love, dum 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 love, dum 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 love. Love, dum 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 love, dum 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 love. Chicken and small chip. Dum love. Love, dum 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 love, dum 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 love.
Sanibonani. Awuthi yami. Siza kuwe asimele ngapha. Yeah. Ulabo uthi sengaba nabo uyabazi.
Yeah, ngiyabazi.
Ubazi kanjani?
Bebanginika iproject ukuthi ngenze isilebhe lapha kiwe so.
And then
So izinto asihamba kahle isilebhe lesa somara sile i-staircase asihamba kahle. Asiphuma kahle. Isilebhe besifuna ibeam lapha phakathi somara ne i-staircase besishota i-concrete.
sister. Nayile out.
Ngiyamtshela naye manje ukuthi akasithithanga kahle nakuma promises bekawayenza ukuthi ngizolungisa akalungisa. So like nathi simile sime ngawe fine we had to do ama reconstruction sikwazise ukuthi okay sesilungisile lenkinga le asibhadale sizama ukwenza more ulokuthulile kodwa uyagree ukuthi uzobhadala kancane awusabhadali kancane so nathi sibone ukuthi ngcono sicela uncede ku X azosincedisa ngendaba yemali.
So nispende imali.
About 25k imali yakho.
Awuthi yabe. Na indaba manje ine 25,000 uthini wena?
Yeah, ine 25,000 imali ngiyithatha ku sister I think plumbing negesi banike deposit. I think it's 8,000.
8,400 le. It's 8,400 le. And then ukulungisa indaba zeslab nestebhisi kusibuild and reconstruct. It's about 9 plus le. So ngibale sengihlanganisa yonke le mali. That's why ngithi 25.
Okay. So all in all ends at 25.
Say if you 25. Anjo besenza nama asamonzi isikhathi sigijimisa fana. Uyazi.
Manje wena kantwana wayi ubayenzela imanga business.
No, asikuthi eksokwenzakalana. That time bazomfonela. Bengekho la, bengisebenza lapha eRustenburg ngithola. Ngibusy lapha so sister uyangifonela. Athi ne bakhiphile ukuza nama round pool nama shutterboard isilepe siyawo. So mara ngathi ne sister ngizofika so mara ngizolungisa lapha manje angikho. So mara mengithola isikhathi ngizofika.
Maroni yakeni ukuthi ufake isilepo mele ukuthi ube ne-certificate what unazo lezi zinto wena?
Yeah, kunabantu lengisebenza nabanazo lezi zinto.
Manje wayi manje nimenzele imanga business.
Bekushota ibeam lapha X.
Manje ungayifaka ngiphi?
I-quoted bengana beam.
So wabashanga imanga business waphuma kulo.
Wow.
Right manje awuthi yami kufuneka linyuku manje 25k.
Wena ibeam uyikhuluma manje sokumele kulunge ayikhuluma ngapi before. Mesithenga material yonke into if uyakhumbula kade sayicala indaba yento into ebeam uyikhiphe sokuthi sikutshela ukuthi slabs yawo wawenza ngathi sithenga material eshodayo that's why
lezi zinto lezi ziyadraw mani awufiki nje lapha na kwa ni speak here.
Yeah.
Manje indaba yenyuku uthi
indaba yenyuku mina X anginayo sister khale ngikhuluma naye sister ngithi ne sister ngicela ukuthi ne udelete into le uyipostile lapha ku TikTok ukuthi ne uzokhona ukuthola ngithola icline lapha
ne uzoyisa abanye abantu mo so alright ayipost expose kanje
akhona kwamabhadela siyithi kuphela postwa kuma social media wonke umuntu laba ngoba uyabasaba bona ubaphila imali zabo thina ngoba uyasidelela
awunamuntu lwangipostile sister
laba basempumalanga bona
bekusimbe outlay ama ribbon blog uyabazi imali yawanthola damani uzile la somara sale kuma ribbon blog efamily somara afika ukukhuluma nomnikazi wama
hayi ukhuluma into efanayo nje phela sesine society ukuthi wabantu abanjani abahosho fine so siyakhuluma ukuthi mina yami indoda yami imlandile ngoba uyabona basaba banama husband thina usithatha ezabantu ababhede
angazanga kimi uze lapha efamily lapha kulomjita lo wathatha imali yakhe 14,000 yakhe.
Alright manje wena mawuthi awunamali manje usho ukuthi manje thina senzeni ngoba phela ngifishe emanzini there's no way ukuthi ngingangena lapha na ngiphume ngo0 khuluma nami ngizwe
sibambise something nathi sibone ukuthi at least uyaphusheka.
uroom lakho iliphi
Lengale emuva
asi zwakala yi awujam ungichazisele ukuthi okay right makunje ukuthi manje bawazi ukuthi babambe something yakho bahafe and then uyithole back uba offera ini ngoba there's no way ukuthi ngakuyeka ne yeah ngasothwele
hayi ukuyayijaja ekusora nevelo kasindlwini lontwana
yeah khuluma nabo na and dade ngoyenzile crime serious
kwatisa tu uthi uyoqinisa islab ngotshwala you know
uqinisa ngotshwala kanjani ngoba islab emele ukuthi ufaka ama concrete lapha neziqinile
usebenza kanjani
amabhodlela lawo uthi siyaphahlela fani uyadlala ngabantu
udlalile shemla kunini isigijima kule Pitori
hey
manje tshela mina ngitshela bangazi ubabambisa ini
mina la nginani la igedle naye istakile
istakeva
ila even leya yiyo istakile leya eshaya engine so mana ne room kuphela izinto lapha isorumini etsaka wayibona
kingiyo
ku room obvious umfithi kishodi wona
asingeno
chelde la yeba yaka lozidini ku room likasifihla
alright sister awungene naye eroomini uzongitshela mabone something manje manithenga lotshwala lona gogo kwayenzakalani ngalotshwala
hayi awuzwa ngithi udlalile kahle ene ngiyazibuza mina umuntu owakhaya utshwala ubani ufune ama gin ama 750 mils i2 ethi bazothela islab
yeah
ufana
after 1 hour sekadakile
hey
hayi phela kuthi ukuthi uhambe naso wahamba nayo leyo gin but my question was izokwenzani igin emntwini owakhaya
usumene lapha yana
umuntu owakhaya igin yenzani ubone nje ukuthi yazi he was just abusing us ufana hayi
khuluma nami mama
hayi ikune TV incane nje lapha ya akasise femini ufana asise femini uma sithi sayithatha le moto ayihambi ngosizoyenza ngeke aziphushe for yona le moto le ngasiphi izinto lezi equipment esefemini uzophusheleka ukuthi asibhadala
mina ngingafeme sister
kanti wena kahle kahle uyini la ifemini
I'm just a middleman
yazwa ke manje
mina I'm a builder ex
asivaye uyosikhomba le career yakho out yami wona uyadlala wena kahle kahle
things in the key
Love, dum 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 love, dum 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 love, love, dum love, dum 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 love.
manje right mabayibamba le car lena uzoyilanda nini wena
ngeke ukupromise ex ngoba ngisebenza manje angina project anginalutho
so siyithengise
no angithi ngimele unginike isikhathi
isikhathi siyakunika
yeah so mara
motor promise nathi asifuna ukuhlala lapho sikubambe istory
yeah khuluma kahle ndoda uzwakala ukuthi uthini
so mesibamba till wena nathi siyazi ukuthi whether sigcina sokuthi uyayisayithengisa sibone ngale mali le kule yethu sikupho kusalayo ikhona okusalayo
ngoba le car mabazoyiscrape abayithengise ku mechanic bothola something
I know bayothola something
then khuluma kahle njengendoda kanti wena mama washaya isiphithiphithi yini uthengisani na
ngeke ukufuna ukuzwa ukuthi ukwenzakala
yeah
abangayi 3 months ngibona ukuthi ngenza kanjani
right i3 months mayiphela uthulile
ngeke ngithule
namaphepha wayo ke
iphepha la yalikho la lesekhabalatsana
na indaba ke akana nix into ekhona event
makamaphepha ngisho thina mase singabe sihleli negogogo kuphela
hayi angeke angisho ngikhona mina and manje nazi ukuthi if le moto niyayithengisa ngama parts maybe nithola maybe 20 that's what 5 samele ukuthi sibuye futhi ngoba the plan akusi event sifuna imali
yethu yes
uyizwa kanjani ndoda
ngiyawuzwa ex
yeah manje wena uthi
sebenze kahle
uthi wena after 3 months
disappointed angifuna ukuqamba manje Sasingayidophi le mali masikunika and sasithi senza ubuntu usebenza umsebenzi wakho uqede.
Mara mamza ngithi le awunika ngayonke phela.
Asikunikanga yonke but sikudepositile uwenzile umsebenzi. Angithi awenzanga umsebenzi wemali, angithi unikwa imali ye plumbing, wanikwa imali ye electricity. And then uzenzile lezo zinto ngoba wathi uye ekhaya uzobuya. The next thing wathula wathi tu.
No angithulanga nina angithi nikuyele kulokuzana bathi ubani ubathi ubani.
Ujustice waqeda safona bongasabambi namafoni. That's what annoyed me most. Uphethe imali ngakuwe awukakenza umsebenzi wakho. Sakunika ama deposit unsiki ethi wenzela ukuthi singakuhluphi kanti sizohlushwa uwe.
Yaze namthengela nogoloko.
Hayi yabona leyo ex.
Yabona sake awuthi
uyothengwa yimi angiphuza utshwala ngibufuni kanjani but I had to go and buy ama G92
imali egezi ne plumbing is mali 8000 right 84
yeah
awu sister
so you must respect that code nakusasa wenza umsebenzi omuhle for abantu asidobhi imali.
All right bakayisikia awuthi ngishaya ispan.
All right.
No yazini in fact nale panera zishiya awuthi yeah no ziright izibusela angisho ukuthi malanda imoto uzolanda na yonke exe awuthi izibusele zonke izinto phakathi so eyikhendla manje le moto
awangikhipha ibanera
no izibusela awuthi
ayithi ufuna imoto exe ngogayima
mara ngisho uyangizwa ngithini or awuyizwa le language ngithi izibusele phakathi
so umakhinika mafuni isibane sakhe
uzobhekana naye awunokhendla ikari phambi kwami ngibhekile uyayichacha mosman
ayicace
izibusele phakathi machita azibuyele phakathi lezinto lezi ngisemsebenzini la angihlali la
athi
yes
uvuthi ikari ngiyawugayika ingikhipha
lezinto zayo ngikayikari nezinto zayo bakayiski
yeah I think keep lesi gate
ambuvula igate usikhipha kanjani
igate izovuleka awani
awumlandele mapiwani right imoto yaphuma right ke madoda sayichova sibeka ngaphandle awusivulele igate Shama manje uyizwile indaba
Ngiyayizwa indaba ex mara nathi asikho happy ngoba manje it's cost to ukuthi siflatbed le moto le.
Alright khuluma nami manje uthoni ube happy bobona ukuthi uex ayenze njani
Akafile nathatha ama TV ama holiday abantwana bazobona na
simqovele iTV nani
sathe konke into like make his life as disturbed as much as nathi for ungabamba imali yethu for so many months.
So if uthatha ifoni sister imali yakho uzoyithola kanjani ngoba kufanele ukuthi nengikhipha ama call
angazi fana but nathi nje manje sesimela ukuthi ungathenga bo 100 rand asinazi but nathi siphe something that's worth all this trouble that we've been going through.
Na imoto iphumile sister.
Esenzelani imoto awuhlupheki indawo imoto maybe
ngiyahlupheka sister.
Bokadimile bonganamsebenzi wayo.
Awuthi asiva isihlande iTV. Bakaye nefone fani. Zothi masokhokhile ke ndoda izinto zakho uyithola. Alright, night ma'am. Asifayini. Sister.
Yes, sir.
Uthezwa kanjani?
No, siyabonga kakhulu for ukuphakamela uzosinceda ngalenkinga besiloko sinayo for a couple of months or close to a year. Upromisile 3 months so siyamupha leyo 3 months leyo sizabona and then yeah ukuthi move forward kanjani but okwethu thina siyabonga. Thank you.
All right. Mama.
Nami mangithathe lethuba nje ngithi siyabonga kuMoja Love ukusukuma kwenu nisukumele phezulu. At least siyazibona ukuthi siyapi manje kudala sizula siyabona ukuthi izinto ziyalunga. Let's hope ke ukuthi uzosigcina isithembiso sakhe sokuthi after 3 months uzoza asilungisele. Siyabonga.
Alright, ngizongiphumela kaso. Sha. Mzansi. Akukhonakala ukuthi manje ungathathela abantu imali uthi wena uyobayenzela isilepe uyobayakhela upstairs. Jiki manje uyenza amanga. On top of that ubathengisa notshwala. Yakhonakala mara leyo. Mawuza kimi uphetha amaphepha. Abantu abasongidila nabo mina. Every day span sami ukushaya ispan. Ngirayime emlilweni ngifishe emanzini. Akithoma.